Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can enable one-handed mode in your OPPO smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, click on additional settings. Here it is, one-handed mode. Click on to enable it like this. First you have to choose gestures for it, then you have to swipe like this. You have to do this, click on the app like this, then you have to click on any of the app and you have to do this. Friends, you can see this is how you can enable one-handed mode. And if you want to do normal your phone, click on anywhere on ends like this and it will be in full screen mode. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.